ज्वाला नरसिंह भगवान की जय। उग्र नरसिंह भगवान की जय। प्रेम से बोलो सद्गुरुदेव श्री स्वामी विश्वानंदा महाप्रभु की जय। That will be the same in every part of your life. On spirituality, if you learn one thing, it has a repercussion on everything in your life. It's like the dominoes, no? You drop it at one side, what happens? No? It goes all the way through. If you learn something here, you will carry it back home and you will be learning it even more and more and more. So use these occasions to learn. Look, be aware. Observe what is